Language, the bridge to understanding. Kotoba camp.
Spoil.
Spoil.
To damage or destroy the quality. To decay. Goods or property taken from others. Plunder.
损坏、破坏、腐坏、贬值、战利品、掠夺物。
Temperature plays a crucial role in preserving food quality because bacteria that cause food spoilage grow fast at warm temperatures. The ancient artifacts were completely spoiled by exposure to humidity and air pollution over centuries.
Many species of fungi can spoil grain crops if the storage conditions aren't properly maintained.
Archaeological evidence suggests that early societies developed salt preservation to prevent meat from spoiling.
Various chemical compounds in the soil can spoil groundwater quality if not properly monitored.
Spoilage.
Spoilage.
The rate of food spoilage increases dramatically in tropical climates without proper storage. Spoiled.
Spoiled. Extreme temperature fluctuations have spoiled valuable biological samples in the laboratory.
Ruin, decay, deteriorate, rot.
毁坏、腐烂、恶化、腐朽。
Preserve, maintain, conserve, protect.
保存、维持、保守、保护。
Sponge.
Sponge.
A primitive aquatic animal with a soft, porous body, an absorbent material. To absorb liquid or clean with a sponge.
海绵动物，吸水的多孔材料，吸收，用海绵擦拭。
Giant barrel sponges filter vast quantities of water daily, transforming dissolved organic matter into food for reef inhabitants. These ancient organisms can filter up to 50,000 times their body volume in water each day, removing harmful particles.
The limestone substrate attracts diverse marine life, as sponges and other filter feeders colonize the surface.
Deep-sea sponges extract vital nutrients while simultaneously cleansing the surrounding water of bacteria.
Ancient coral reefs contained specialized sponges that helped maintain water quality through natural filtration.
Spongy.
Spongy.
The spongy tissue efficiently captures microscopic food particles suspended in ocean currents. Spongiform.
Spongiform.
The spongiform structure creates essential microhabitats within the reef ecosystem.
Absorb, soak, retain, filter.
吸收、浸泡、保持、过炉。
Repel, reject, expel, discharge.
排斥、拒绝、驱逐、排出。
Spray.
Spray.
Tiny drops of liquid sent through the air, a device that disperses liquid. To scatter liquid in small drops, to disperse in a fine mist.
喷雾、喷雾器、喷洒、喷射。
Volcanic vents spray mineral-rich solutions into deep ocean waters, creating unique ecosystems. Desert plants have evolved specialized leaves that spray excess salt onto their surfaces.
Bees use their wings to spray pheromones that signal potential threats to the colony.
The natural pesticides sprayed by certain plants effectively deter harmful insects.
Coastal redwoods capture moisture from fog that sprays through their canopy.
Sprayer.
Sprayer.
The specialized sprayer mimics natural precipitation patterns in controlled environments. Spraying.
Spraying. The spraying of water droplets creates unique microclimates in arid regions.
Disperse, scatter, sprinkle, atomize.
分散、散播、撒、雾化。
Collect, gather, concentrate, accumulate.
收集、聚集、集中、积累。
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
To compress or apply pressure, to force through a small space. The act of pressing or compressing, pressure.
挤压、压榨，强行通过，挤压、压力。
Specialized plant cells squeeze excess water through microscopic pores to maintain optimal pressure. The membrane proteins squeeze vital nutrients through cell walls via active transport.
Tree roots squeeze through tiny soil spaces to access water and minerals.
Muscle fibers squeeze calcium ions to trigger coordinated contractions.
Blood vessels squeeze and relax to regulate blood flow throughout the circulatory system.
Squeezer.
Squeezer.
The mechanical squeezer extracts essential oils from plant materials through controlled pressure. Squeezable.
Squeezable.
The squeezable tissue allows for efficient nutrient transport within the plant structure.
Compress, press, constrict, pinch.
压缩、按压、收缩、拟。
Release, loosen, expand, relax.
释放、松开、扩张、放松。
Stable.
Stable.
Firmly fixed, not likely to change, fail, or decline. Steady, a building where horses are kept.
稳定的、牢固的、不易改变的马厩、马棚。
The Earth's atmosphere maintains a stable composition of nitrogen and oxygen over geological timescales. Isotopes with stable atomic configurations persist unchanged for millions of years.
Coral reefs provide stable habitats for thousands of marine species.
The enzyme remains stable under optimal temperature and pH conditions.
A stable ecosystem maintains biodiversity through complex feedback mechanisms.
Stability.
Stability.
The stability of ocean currents influences global climate patterns. Stabilize.
Stabilize. Wetlands help stabilize shorelines and prevent coastal erosion.
Steady, constant, secure, fixed.
稳固的、恒定的、安全的、固定的。
Unstable, volatile, fluctuating, erratic.
不稳定的、易变的、波动的、不规则的。
Stack.
Stack.
To arrange objects one on top of another. To pile up a neat pile of objects arranged one on top of another.
堆叠、叠放、累积、一堆、一叠。
Sedimentary rocks form as layers of minerals stack up over millions of years. Marine organisms stack calcium carbonate to build complex reef structures.
Electrons stack in distinct energy levels, according to quantum mechanical principles.
Cellular membranes stack to form specialized structures like the Golgi apparatus.
Tectonic plates stack and fold to create mountain ranges over geological time.
Stacking.
Stacking.
The stacking of plant cells creates rigid support structures in woody stems. Stacked.
Stacked. The stacked layers of ancient volcanic ash preserve crucial geological evidence.
Pile, accumulate, layer, amass.
堆积、积累、分层、积聚。
Scatter, disperse, spread, separate.
散开、分散、扩散、分离。
Stadium.
Stadium.
A large sports arena with tiered seating for spectators, a unit of measurement in ancient Greece.
体育场、运动场，古希腊长度单位。
The ancient Olympic Stadium incorporated advanced acoustic design to amplify the natural resonance of sound. Archaeological excavations revealed the foundation of a Roman stadium beneath medieval structures.
The stadium's innovative ventilation system maintains optimal air circulation for large gatherings.
The stadium's design incorporates sustainable materials and solar energy collection systems.
Botanists study how stadium grass varieties withstand intense foot traffic and varying weather conditions.
Stadia.
Stadia.
The stadia of ancient Greece served as centers for athletic and cultural events. Stadial.
Stadium. The stadial development of sports architecture reflects advancing engineering capabilities.
Arena, coliseum, amphitheater, venue.
竞技场、圆形剧场、圆形露天剧场、场地。
Practice field, training ground, scrimmage area, gym.
练习场、训练场、练习区、体育馆。
Staff.
Staff.
To provide with employees. To serve as a staff member, a group of people working for an organization. A long stick used for support.
配备员工，担任职员，全体职员，工作人员，手杖、拐杖。
The laboratory staff meticulously documented each step of the experimental procedure. The research facility staffs its genomics department with highly specialized scientists.
Medical staff must maintain strict protocols when handling infectious materials.
The field research staff collected data from multiple ecological zones.
Technical staff calibrated the sensitive measurement instruments before each trial.
Staffing.
Staffing.
Proper staffing levels ensure the accuracy and efficiency of laboratory operations. Staffer.
Staffer. Each staffer specializes in different aspects of environmental monitoring.
Personnel, workforce, employees, team.
人员、劳动力、员工、团队。
Individuals, freelancers, contractors, temps.
个人、自由职业者、承包商、临时工。
Stain.
Stain.
To mark or discolor. To apply coloring material for scientific observation, a discoloration, a dye used in microscopy.
染色、玷污，进行染色观察，污渍、染料、显微镜用染剂。
Microbiologists use specialized stains to identify bacterial cell wall characteristics. The gram stain technique helps differentiate between two major classes of bacteria.
Histologists apply multiple stains to reveal different tissue structures.
Plant pigments can permanently stain laboratory equipment if not properly cleaned.
DNA samples were stained with fluorescent markers for visualization under UV light.
Staining.
Staining.
The staining protocol must be precisely followed to obtain reliable microscopic results. Stained.
Stained. The stained tissue samples revealed complex cellular structures.
Mark, color, dye, tint.
标记、注色、染色、色调。
Clean, clear, pure, unstained.
清洁的、清晰的、纯净的、未染色的。
Stake.
Stake.
To mark with posts. To risk or wager something of value, a pointed post. Something valuable at risk. A share or interest.
用庄标记，冒风险，押注，庄，标记，利害关系，股份。
Ecologists placed stakes to mark the boundaries of their experimental plots in the wetland. Researchers have a significant stake in maintaining accurate experimental data.
Conservation biologists staked out territories to monitor endangered species populations.
The success of the clinical trial stakes the future development of this treatment method.
Geologists stake their reputation on the accuracy of their seismic predictions.
Staking.
Staking.
The staking of claim boundaries is crucial in geological survey work. Staked.
Staked. The staked investment in renewable energy research yielded promising results.
Risk, invest, venture, gamble.
风险、投资、冒险、赌博。
Secure, protect, safeguard, guarantee.
保护、维护、保障、保证。
Well done! Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
To have another language is to possess a second soul.